I bought some of this ticket online yesterday, and I didn't know if it's going to work. So yeah, that's why I put down the camera. It was a little tight there I was driving. This one here is driving, is going to pass me on like wrong side of the road. Yeah, interesting. And yeah, I driven to the place there, and it was a little tight with the Caravan after, I can guarantee you that. But I just came up, get green light, this boom, open up and just drive. And I like, okay, it worked. So yeah, I'm still in Sweden, but here we have the bridge. So on the other side here, it's Denmark, and it is windy here. Jesus. So here we have, I do think this is Kattegat and Skagerrak here, and Öresund Bridge. So soon I'm in Denmark, and yeah, it's windy. Feel it. It's pushing the Caravan to whoop to the other lane. So yeah. So yeah, it's 2 degrees, and it's not that warm. And yeah, Denmark, and I will see if I go into how far I'm going to travel in Denmark. I have to drive through Denmark, of course, to come to Germany, but I don't know how far I'm going to drive in Denmark today. That I don't know, because the problem is that it's pretty cold, and if it comes snow, I have a problem. So I do think maybe I'm going to take like 12:30 now, so it's not that late. So maybe I'm going to drive further down in Denmark and like stay for the night, like on the Danish border to Germany. But yeah, we will see. And yeah, it's pretty long, this bridge. I have never driven this bridge, so this is my first time. And I look at the internet where they build it. They find a lot of ammunition, these big grenades out here, so they have to blow these ones up before they could build the bridge. It was something with World War, when the World War was over. They dumped every ammunition out here in the sea, and when they start digging, they found these ones. So yeah. Woo. The trucks, when they are passing me, they can pull in the Caravan. Jesus, that blows very much. Whoa. Do think I'm going to put down the speed a little bit here, because here it was very windy. Don't know if you can see that in the camera, but it's pulling the Caravan all over the place, and it's pretty high here. Whoa. That's interesting. I'm driving like 70, and it is pulling the Caravan as hell. So Now we have 50. And here we have the border. Now I am in Denmark. Now I am in Denmark. So here is Copenhagen on the other side here. So this looks a bit interesting. Some repair of the bridge. High up at this point too, but not that high up as the previous section I was driving. So yeah, it's a little bit interesting. Very windy. Yeah, so welcome to Denmark. Now is me and the dogs. We have left Sweden, and left Sweden for a pretty long time, because now I'm going to travel down in Europe and in France. So goddamn, what is this windy here? Jesus. It pulls the Caravan like crazy. And yeah, we're going to travel around for a couple of months, and then I have I got them from a friend in the States that gave me like an don't know what to say, like tip, like an opportunity that I like can't refuse. So I do think I'm going to go over to the States. I don't know when, but maybe it's going to be like that. So yeah, that could be interesting. But first I'm going down to France so I can come away from the snow, because I don't have the winter tires on my rig. Either the car, or I have the winter tires to the car at my mother and father, but what I'm going to do in Sweden in the winter, it's not that easy with the Caravan to be out and traveling around in the winter. You have to go to like a campsite or something like that. And that is pretty expensive to like just live in on a campsite and find a job somewhere with a campsite that is open for the winter. That one is a little harder. So that's why I'm going down to Europe, where you have like summer, it's warm, and I can do like work a little bit here and there and traveling around just like that. So a tunnel. Okay. Yeah, right. no wind in the tunnel. That's good. Yeah. And it do seems like this one is pretty long. I think I was checking something about 3 or 4 kilometers long. This tunnel. So just put down my sunglasses so I can see something. That was really dark here with the sunglasses on. And yeah, I'm filming so I can't like I need more hands. I know some people that was talking about that if I'm going to have like 2, 3, 4 arms, it will not look that proper out, so you shouldn't do that. It has been handy, but it was probably not good. And now my GPS signal disappeared. Wonder why. Down in the tunnel under the water, the GPS does not work. No shit, Sherlock. And I do looks like it's going to go up in here. I do think it's going to be a little time to fill up the car. So I have to go to a tank place and fill up the car. So yeah, that is going to be fun. It's always fun to fill up the car, just see the money around. Like literally, yeah, like it's running out. You pour it out and pour it in the tank and you like empty your bank account. It's very funny, or not? Yeah, it is what it is. You need gas to the car. So fill up the tank, close your eyes, just pay. It's the easiest way. Okay, now we are going out from this tunnel, and now it's going there. Like, ooh. And there will be light. Yes, 80 outside of the city. The same in Denmark that is in Sweden. So here it's 80 kilometers. And with the Caravan it's 80 kilometers, so that's no problem. But it is windy. And now we are on Denmark, the mainland, and I should not go to the airport, Lufthavn. I don't have to go to the airport because I have the car and Caravan. Jesus. And now I have to find somewhere to fill up the car. Yeah, don't worry yet, but it's starting to get some time to do it. So I'm going to look up this and come back to you guys a little bit later. And yeah. Yeah. Now we have to fill up the tank. So now we have to pay here. There we have that. And what the time it takes. fruit. That I want some cheaper than next time, but I forgot to let Denmark now. I'm not in Sweden, so it will not work with my phone number. So now it's approved again. Thank you. No, I don't want that. Now we're going to fill up the tank. Yeah. Now I'm filling up the tank. And oh, I hate this one to fill up easily. I have to hold this one. So yeah. I'll come back to you guys. Yeah, another one. Now I have put up the Caravan here to do some shopping, and I'm glad that I have this, so I can back up the Caravan because it was a little tight to come around here, but yeah, it works. So now I'm going in here and do some shopping, and I do think I need some like milk or something like that. So it looks like it's going to rain. Now we will see what we can get for something here. So go. Okay. Yeah, right. Yeah, it's different from Sweden, of course, but nothing here, right? You can buy beer, wine and things in the shop when you are in Denmark. You cannot do that in Sweden. So yeah, maybe buy some beer or something like that. So yeah, come back here, guys. Yeah, taking some H. Taking out the dogs for a little walk, and hey, nee, good. Come on. Yeah, I'll buy some candy, some beer, milk. Hey. Yep, I put it over here. And huh? You see if they want some food. Valpen. Sometimes it's, I hope I have had like more arms, but come on, you know, come on. Okay, do not want food, so yeah, I'll come back to you guys. Yes, we have a warning here. If you have a small trailer, you can't drive over the bridge. See, over the radio here. Luckily for me, I have like a big Caravan, like 2 tons. So for me, it's no issue. But if you have a small one, you should probably drive to right here. But yeah. This costs money. For all this, yeah. I should see if this one worked too with this thing. I think when I bought them online. I do think that was a good idea to do that. So I'm going to drive here and see if it's okay, or I can have to buy with card or something. I have to lower my speed here. See if it is okay even this time. Yeah, look at that. It's green. Ooh. So it works. That's good. wonder what this is going to cost me. But it should be a lot cheaper than. Okay, that's what goes either way. Like that. So it should be a lot cheaper than you buy it on like on the road here. So it is windy. Look at that. I do think I'm going to stay a little bit further out to the right. Yeah. It is windy. I don't feel that much in the Caravan so far, but yeah, it's a little bit windy. It really is, and you can see it out on the sea here that you have not big waves, but you have waves, and when they are like white up on the top of the waves, they are a little bigger. So yeah, now I'm driving to next part of Denmark, because Denmark is like 3 islands, I think. Main islands, I don't mean the smaller ones. Yeah, that one that is connected to like the continent. That's not an island, of course. Then you have like, is it like further up in Denmark you have like an island, and there you have this one with the tides. Yeah, like tides come from 2 ways. Don't know what you call it, but it's famous place. There's a lot of people that have been driving there on the beach with their caravans and RVs and cars and everything like that. And when the tide is coming, they like, whoops, I'm too far out. I don't have the time to come in. So they like sink their cars outside in the ocean there. There's a lot of people that have made moves. Now it is windy. Now I feel that it's pulling on the Caravan. So I'm going to lower my speed a little bit. And here I'm pretty high up. I am very high up. And they are making some repairs. Whoops. They are making some repairs here on this bridge. Yeah, I do think I'm going to lower down a little bit more, because it is windy as hell here. Jesus. It's I drive like 60 now, and it feels pretty good in the Caravan. It's not that. It comes like some winds, so it's like it's not that much. But you have like open sea here at both directions. I do think this bridge is pretty long. Here you have some this wind turbines out in the sea. And yeah, see if you can see it that way. This bridge is pretty long. It really is pretty long. Jesus. Yeah, and it was very windy in the top of the bridge and down here too. Don't know if you can see that, but it takes pretty hard on the Caravan. So you can get these winds that comes from the side and that like pull the Caravan. So it is windy. the islands, I don't count the small ones that you have here. This bridge is built between the little islands. You can see, I don't know if you can see that, but you see the waves is like hammering the island there when they put up all the stones. It's hammering really good. See if you can change it. Take the other hand. Oh. You can see that the wall. Here you have a lighthouse. Yeah. Some wind here, and it's not that scary, but it was not fun either. When you get like these winds when they like pull your caravan to different sides. It's not fun. It's not scary either. Station may have perhaps. Take down the solar protection here. I don't get the sun right in my face. Yeah, you can see that the waves is coming. It's pretty long, this one. See if you can do it like this. You can see something. Whoa. There it comes. It is windy here too. It really pulls in the caravan. I'm happy that I have like a pretty stable car. Have had a smaller car, it would probably not be as fun to drive here. And here it is more windy than it was on the other side. Yeah. The trucks is thinking I'm driving too slow, but they have more weight than I have, so they don't have the same issue with the wind. But you have two lanes here, so they can drive past me either way, so I can drive. Whoa. So I can drive my speed. So I'm driving a little slower because the caravan is going from side to side sometimes pretty much. car pretty good too. So I lower my speed so I don't get any problems. And don't know if you can see it, but it's like pulling in the car. Maybe you can see when it pulls, it likes moving me too. So maybe you can see it. I don't know. But it pulls pretty good. I have like 1 hour and 50 minutes to the place there. I'm probably going to spend the night. Hopefully. We will see. It's like a place someone had put out, but it's no picture or something of that. Like nothing. Whoa. So we will see how that works, or you have like a campsite not far from that place. It costs like 20 euros a night with power. So yeah, we will see which one I take. If that one that is free, if that one is good, I take that one, of course. Or I pick the other one. It's just for a night. Then I probably go down to Germany tomorrow. And then we will see. It's like 6 degrees now, and when I started the trip from my mother and father, it was like -1, no, -3 when I leave. So I was driving like 100 k's in like snow on the road and ice on the road, so it was a little slippery. Then I go down to this place outside Malmö, and that was pretty good. It was raining at the night. I can say that. Jesus. And when I wake up, it was like ice on the car. It was like 0 degrees, and then it jumped up to 2. But it was ice on the car and like ice in the grass, so it probably had been a little slippery in the night or early morning. Here's the train. That's good. If the train comes there, I don't get that much wind from that side. That's good. It was not that long, so now it seems to be empty too. So now I have the wind in the side again. Oh. Soon I'm on the mainland again, so then I have some protection from the trees, so I don't have that much wind in the side. As you can see here, you have really big waves here, so it's windy. Can you see the waves when it smashes the the shoreline there? Smashing pretty good. Yeah, now I am on the mainland again. So yeah, I'll come back to you guys when if something happens. Now it should not be any more bridges. So I'll come back to you guys a bit later. I'm going to show you the place I'm going to stay the night. So I'll come back to you